Very welcome and swagatam in all at one ffbmd YouTube channel, and I am a morning walker lecturer of International Movie Research Center, and I also works in Banoli International University. So I am continuing the research lecture on research methodology. So let's see now the next topic on this research methodology is definition and formulation of a problem. So here first we know the definition and formulation of a problem. So after identifying a problem, in order to solve it, it has to be defined and formulated properly. For this purpose, we can execute the following. Firstly, state the problem in a questionnaire form or in an equivalent form. Then specify the problem in detail and in precise terms. List the assumptions made. Again, remove the ambiguities, if any, in the statement of the problem. Next, examine the feasibility of a particular solution. Defining the problem is more important than its solution. It is a crucial part of the research work, study, and should not be defined in a hurry. So next I am going to talk about whether the defined problem is a good problem or not. So a problem in its first definition may not be appealing. It may require redefinition in order to make it a good problem, that is, by suitably rewording or reformulating the chosen problem, it can be made to meet the criteria of a good problem. This is also important to solve the problem successfully. To this end, a researcher can ask a series of questions on the problem, and some are: is the problem really interesting to him and to the scientific community? Is the problem significant to the present status of the topic? Is there sufficient supervision or guidance? Can the problem be solved in the required time frame? Are the necessary equipments, adequate library and computational facilities, etc., available? If the answers to these questions are satisfactory, then the researcher can initiate work on the chosen problem. In addition, discuss the problem with the current doctoral student and obtain the scope of the problem and other related aspects.